It is for the most part left unsaid, this thing which lies not in the content of speech, but in its interstices, sensed rather than spoken, in the hesitations that open up like sudden gaps in a familiar path. In a way, words sometimes seem to accumulate behind the teeth, swelling in the mouth until they finally are expelled. A face, a gesture, a place, an image, a silence. Suspicion has no fixed object. It's a way of seeing or not seeing. To frame an image is not only to select what is within the frame, but to exclude what falls outside of it, and therefore to assert a false totality. We often speak of the image as if it were stable, but it never is. It is a construction, a crystallization of a particular gaze at a particular time with a particular intent. Our fascination with images, photographic, linguistic, or mental, stems not from their capacity to represent, but from their stubborn refusal to be reduced to explanation. There is, in every image, an access, a residue, something unsaid and possibly unsayable. That which is suspect in the image is not its content, but its surplus of meaning, or rather, its refusal to be content with meaning. There are times when I imagine all the lost images of the 20th century gathering in some unseeable space. Photographs burned, negatives undeveloped, glass plates shattered in earthquakes, or left to rot in abandoned basements. They drift like fog along the edges of language, waiting for some archivist to stumble upon them in a mislabeled box. Or perhaps they are never seen again, the contents known only to the chemicals that once held them, to the silver halides that, like bones, remember even after the body has turned to ash. The world, Siebold once wrote, is saturated with the traces of the past, but the most haunting traces are those that resist both interpretation and explanation. A face half captured, a word mistranslated, an image suspected, but never seen.